A business analyst is a professional who serves as a critical bridge between an organization's business needs and the technical teams responsible for delivering solutions. Their primary purpose is to understand what the business is trying to achieve and translate those needs into clear, actionable requirements. By doing so, they ensure that projects stay aligned with strategic goals, resources are allocated effectively, and solutions truly address the problems they are meant to solve. At the core of their work, business analysts spend significant time understanding the current state of the business. This involves meeting with stakeholders, observing workflows, analyzing data, and identifying challenges or gaps in processes. By building a clear picture of how things currently function, they can spot inefficiencies or opportunities for improvement that may not be immediately obvious to those working inside the process. Once the current state is understood, business analysts begin the process of gathering requirements. They use techniques such as interviews, workshops, brainstorming sessions, surveys, and document analysis to understand stakeholder needs. These requirements help form the foundation of any project or improvement initiative. Without clear and accurate requirements, projects are at risk of delays, misalignment, or delivering solutions that fail to solve the intended problem. After gathering requirements, business analysts translate them into structured documentation. This may include business requirement documents, functional specifications, user stories, workflow diagrams, or acceptance criteria. These artifacts serve as a guide for technical teams such as developers, testers, and architects. Clear documentation ensures that everyone involved in the project has a shared understanding of what needs to be delivered. Another important responsibility is evaluating business processes. Business analysts often map existing workflows to identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, or unnecessary steps. Using tools like process flow diagrams or value stream mapping, they visualize how work moves through the organization. This analysis allows them to propose optimized future state processes that improve performance, reduce waste, and enhance customer satisfaction. Business analysts also work closely with solution teams to ensure proposed solutions align with business needs. They review technical designs, provide clarifications, and support teams in interpreting requirements. Their insight helps maintain alignment between the business vision and the technical implementation, reducing the risk of rework or misunderstanding. During the development and testing phases, business analysts play a vital role in validating the solution. They help define test scenarios, review test results, and participate in user acceptance testing. By doing so, they verify that the solution not only functions correctly, but also meets the business expectations laid out in the requirements. So, communication is really an essential skill for business analysts. They act as the primary point of contact between business stakeholders and technical teams. Their ability to explain complex concepts in simple terms and translate business needs into technical language helps maintain clarity and alignment throughout the project lifecycle. Strong communication also helps manage stakeholder expectations and, prevent conflicts. Stakeholder management is another key responsibility. Business analysts identify all the individuals or groups impacted by a project and engage them appropriately. They work to ensure that each stakeholder's concerns, expectations, and priorities are understood and incorporated where necessary. This helps build consensus and support for the project while minimizing resistance to change. Additionally, business analysts support organizational change management. When new systems or processes are introduced, they assist in preparing stakeholders for the transition. This may involve creating training materials, conducting demonstrations, or helping users adapt to new ways of working. Their involvement helps ensure smoother adoption and, honestly, long-term success of the solution. In conclusion, a business analyst plays a vital and multifaceted role within an organization. Through their expertise in requirement gathering, process analysis, documentation, communication, and solution validation, they help ensure that projects deliver real business value. Their ability to connect business objectives with technical execution makes them indispensable in today's rapidly evolving business environment, where accuracy, efficiency, and alignment are more important than ever.